Welcome everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove shields of your main. This is a question that everyone asking and they don't know how you can do it, but in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do it really easy. Not a problem. First thing first, you have to know where is your shield. Does it have a weakness or something like this one? This is a very small one and removing it is not that difficult. So I'm gonna start using the heater, bring it up, try to remove it, and I'm gonna put some flakes on it. Alright, now melting it. Now to removing the shield, all you have to do is start from a weak point where it's not so many parts over there. Please, from a part that there is not really crowded. As you can see, it can be easily removed, and this is our audio IC. As you can see, there's a crystal here, and there are some other examples I'm going to show you now, like this one here. I'm going to remove it, show you how you can do it. Okay, let's put it sturdy there. Flux. I haven't cleaned the board. I hope it wasn't gonna be necessary. I'm gonna remove the shield now, starting from a big point where there's not so many crowded. As you can see, there's a CPU here, so I'm gonna start from the other side of it. See if I can find anywhere I can attach my tweezer into. This looks good. Heating starts. Careful about timing. Alright. A bit of a time, so it's gonna cool down. Now again. Like that. Move your heater, do not keep it in one place. And done. You can easily remove the shield. Do not, pull it so hard because you might be damaging the main board and the tracks. Be careful about it.